Here's a keynote I made, and it has a video. And I put this video over a shape and border to add something different. I could have made the video full screen, but this is something to mix it up and looks unique. And when I click, the video starts playing. Let me show you how I did that. I have a blank slide here. Let's add a shape. I drag the shape where I want, make it the size and shape I desire. That's going to be my background, changing the color to a gray. I want to add a border, nice large border, making the size larger, changing the color to a dark gray, a little bit larger, clicking off. Now I want to add in my video. I'm going to choose that beach video. You can add in a video of yourself. Of course, you can drag in your video if you know right where it is, or bring it in from your gallery. The video can be made any size. I just drag it the size I want. It could be full size to the entire screen as well, or very tiny. I want to make some changes so that you see some other options. Let's look what would look nice with a beautiful beach scene. Changing the fill color, border color, very bright. Clicking off, and I can play that video and see how it looks. The build order is set on click. So for the video to play, when I come to this screen, I would have to click my arrow to start playing. Let's look. First slide, moving in, automatically starts playing at transition. Closing out of that, and then you'll save that and be ready to use it in your video. Let me show you what it looks like full screen, taking up the entire screen. So that would start playing as soon as you transition over a beautiful full screen beach.